In this video I will show you step by step how you can recover your Roblox account with no email or no username. So first of all, let's head over to our Roblox app, and then once we open up Roblox here, obviously we will be on our main page, and what we can do and start off by doing is clicking on login. What you will notice now is there is an option for forgot password or username. If we click on this, that will then redirect us over to this page where we can now go ahead and enter in our phone number into this box right here. So first of all, we need to go ahead and choose our area code. So if I go ahead now and find United Kingdom and then enter in my phone number into this box. So once you have entered in your phone number, simply click on continue. And then once we click on continue, what that will do is it will send you a 6-digit verification code. You can go ahead now and enter this into this box right here and select verify. Once you select verify, as you can see, you will now be able to reset your password, and then once you reset your password, you will have fully recovered your Roblox account without your username or without your email address. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.